Have you ever wanted to remote into your Linux server using a mobile device, but want to do it through SSH and via the command line interface? Well, I was on vacation last week, going to Colorado Springs. I figured it out, and now there's an app that I discovered in the App Store called Terminus. And it works beautifully up until we had some severe storms and the power went out of my house and I could not remote back into my server because the server was offline. Go figure, right? While you're away, states away, your server goes offline and you can't fix it until you get home. Welcome back to AJ Tech. As per usual, get yourself a beverage, sit back, relax, take some notes if you like, and let's dive into the app known as Terminus. Let's go. For this one, we're going to hang out in the corner and we're going to screen mirror into my iPhone here. I can't remember. This is called Air Screen Mirroring Receiver, and it should show up on your phone. And I'm going to click on my desktop here, and it should pop up on this screen in just a moment. This is a really cool feature to help demonstrate and showcase some stuff on my phone that instead of like screen recording my phone, which could do that, but I want to screen mirror it and follow along through this if it's going to frickin' work. Hang on. There we go. Now that we got it to work, as you can see under the screen mirroring section here, you have your choices. I could do this on the TV. I could do this on the Roku devices. And so much more. It's pretty awesome to be able to do this ability right here. We're going to go ahead and close that out. We're going to scroll over to Terminus. Missed it right there. It's going to be this icon right here, Terminus. I'm going to try to click on it. It won't work. I can't click on this. So here we go. Let's go. We're going to go into the application here. As you can see, I already got it set up. ABJ-server. This is my Linux server that I got sitting over here, which eventually I'm going to replace it. I got some newer desktops in my garage. Not new. They're used, but a lot newer than what I have using as a server with more RAM. So we're going to do a whole video project on this later on where we're just going to switch out the server with a new server. So just because I want to. But here it is. This is where you're at. Just kind of showcase some features here. Hang on. I got to go back into this. I got to remember where I'm at. You can search for it right here for servers. Over here, you got your host. This is where my server lives. You got a keychain for like any credentials. You got port forwarding options right here. I don't have any of that set up yet. Snippets is where you could like add in like snippets of your commands that you normally use. That's very handy. So like sudo abt update, cd space ... or clear. Probably just put exit on here too. I think I got it set up to where my password saves now and I just paste it in there. So it's pretty neat. Known host right here. That's my server. Logs. Logs of when you logged into your server. Over here, connections. This is where all your connection sets up. Ways to connect. You got connect via SFTP. Discover local devices. Start a serial connection. The other one down here is your profile. You can set up a profile, login account, all that fun stuff using Terminus app, which is pretty nice. So going back to the host here. Up here, you can do this plus sign. And you can create a new host. This is where you can add your server. You can create a group. You can import hosts. So let's go to new host. And all I did really was I did the IP address right here under IP or host. I didn't do anything else really with I'm scrolling like I can scroll my screen. But I'm using SSH, which is default port 22 to log into it. You want to make sure you put your login credentials, your username and password right here for your Linux server or whatever server you're going to use to log in with. And really that's it. You can set up your however you want the server to look right here. So there's Hacker Blue, Hacker Green, Hacker Red, Everforce Dark. I may change mine because mine, I think mine is set to Terminus Dark. But we'll show that here in just a moment. You can use Telnet, but I don't recommend Telnet because SSH is secure. All right, so there you go. I'm trying to scroll again. So we're going to close out of that. Go back to the plus. Actually, no, let's go up to the dots up here. Just kind of show you that. That's all. So we're going to log into the server here. I'm just going to click on this tab here. And as you can see, I'm already logged into it. It's already set up. It's already ready to go and ready to operate here. You can exit by clicking on this X right here, or you could type in exit in the command prompt here. So I'm going to type in, oh, it's AI generated too. You could ask AI or generate a command. I'm typing in this hang on, I want to go up here. Yeah, up here into the screen. Yes. Yeah, you want to click in the screen. I was trying to click back up in the screen. Having a mouse and this at the same time is a little wonky, I'll tell you. But you can do sudo abt update. It auto-populates, so I'm going to select one. Just kind of show that. There you go. We're going to hit enter. It's going to want the password. Again, you could type it in, or if it's set up to paste it, you can paste it. Let it run. There it is. Sudo abt update is now running. And that's it. There's really no updates. I already ran it. But just going to show you what to do on here. But again, this is all on my mobile phone right here through the Terminus app. I'm remoted in via SSH. We talked about SSH in our previous videos. If you want to go refer back to SSH. So this is just another way to do it. If you're on the go, you don't have your laptop, or you don't feel like whooping out that laptop, you just want to use your phone, you can remote into your devices via SSH. I was able to do it via GUI using a couple other apps here, just kind of show you here. I know I got a lot of apps on here, but under my network apps here, I believe there's this Windows. Of course, I use TwinGate to remote in, but the Windows app here, which works, connect to a PC or add a device. It's not really going to showcase it on here, I guess. It's not, it keeps it private, which is pretty cool. But I got a list of servers right here, of my server right here. I can click in a remote in and do it via GUI style on my phone. It's not really the best to do it that way. That's why I kind of like using the Terminus app for that reason, just to do it here. So I'm going to click X right here to close out, and I'll force it to close out. Or you could type exit to exit out of your server and, cancel that remote connection. But that's it for this episode. I just want to demonstrate the app Terminus. Go check it out for yourself. It's in the App Store. This is what it looks like right here. This little winky eye little cloud. It says Terminus. Check it out in the App Store today. If you got a server at home that you want to remote into via SSH, do a command line interface, there you go. Hey guys, so much for watching. Have yourselves a great day and take care.